Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a unboxing video for you guys. It's going to be a little spark to this video. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. It is the Super King launcher launcher, the Spark launcher. I finally got this in, so yeah, let's go. Okay. Oh god, man, I messed up the box. No. But yeah, this is gonna be a little bit shorter video because I have the other guys here too, the other bays too. But I want to do this one first so I can actually show these in the actual in the other video. So yeah, this is the Sparking launcher, and it looks pretty big though. I love launchers that are actually pretty big. Whoa. See. Let me turn off the light. Okay. Ooh, yeah. I love the size of that. Let me turn off the light. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Okay. That actually works pretty well. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Let me put this on my main launcher. This is gonna be my main. But yeah, this works amazing. I love this thing. I love how bulky it is. But yeah, hope you guys like this little unboxing for you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.